2025 Porsche Cayenne Expert Review. Pros. Among the sportiest of SUVs. Multiple strong powertrains. Porsche personality. Cons. Below average fuel economy. High price. Needs nicer backup camera. Porsche adds another model to the range of its refreshed Cayenne, one that should stoke driving enthusiasts. The GTS returns with a stronger V8 and performance componentry from the Cayenne Coupe Turbo GT. Luxury midsize SUV rivals to the 2025 Porsche Cayenne include the BMW X5 and Mercedes-Benz GLE class. Porsche also makes a Cayenne with a sloped roof. Read about the Cayenne Coupe here. What's new? The third-generation Porsche Cayenne gained significant updates for 2024 that included revised styling, updated powertrains and suspension, and improved technology. For 2025, the twin-turbo V8 Cayenne GTS returns with model-specific tuning and distinctive styling details. What we think? The 2025 Porsche Cayenne is the kind of midsize SUV you'd expect from the company that also builds 911s and Caymans. Every variation of the crossover's powertrain smoothly delivers plenty of grunt, with the quickest model seemingly defying logic. The Cayenne also packs powerful brakes, incredible lateral grip, and responsive steering. Build quality is outstanding, and Porsche offers multiple performance-enhancing options for lesser trim levels, too. Pin the throttle, and regardless of powertrain, the Cayenne's engine should sound awesome at full song. A steep retail price tops the list of negatives, as it can get really expensive with options or moving above the base model. At those prices, you would think Porsche could give the Cayenne a better backup camera than the low-res version it has in there now. The SUV's fuel economy remains unimpressive, and it doesn't improve much with the hybrid model. That said, the Cayenne has no SUV equal when it comes to driver engagement and poise. There are more practical vehicles than the Cayenne, but Porsche challenges you to find a more satisfying one to drive. 2025 Cayenne powertrains and performance. The new Cayenne GTS makes 40 HP and 30 lb-ft of torque more than the previous version and becomes the 2025 lineup's most powerful gas-only model. It gets a standard 8-speed automatic and AWD like the others. Fuel economy and range figures aren't out yet, but we figure the e-hybrid plug-in hybrid models should be capable of around 30 miles of all-electric travel. Drivetrain, AWD. Engine, 3.0-liter turbocharged V6. Horsepower/torque, 348 HP/368 lb-ft. Efficiency, city/highway 1723 mpg*. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour 5.7 seconds, manufacturer EST. Drivetrain, AWD. Engine, 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 and electric motor. Horsepower/torque, 463 HP/479 lb-ft. Efficiency, city/highway TBA. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour 4.6 seconds, manufacturer EST. Drivetrain, AWD. Engine, 4.0-liter turbocharged V8. Horsepower/torque, 468 HP/442 lb-ft. Efficiency, city/highway 15/21 mpg*. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour 4.7 seconds, manufacturer EST. Drivetrain, AWD. Engine, 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 and electric motor. Horsepower/torque, 512 HP/553 lb-ft. Efficiency, city/highway TBA. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour 4.4 seconds, manufacturer EST. Drivetrain, AWD. Engine, 4.0-liter turbocharged V8. Horsepower/torque, 493 HP/487 lb-ft. Efficiency, city/highway TBA. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour 4.2 seconds, manufacturer EST. Drivetrain, AWD. Engine, 4.0-liter turbocharged V8 and electric motor. Horsepower/torque, 729 HP/700 lb-ft. Efficiency, city/highway TBA. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour 3.5 seconds, manufacturer EST. Asterisk 2024 EPA rated fuel economy. Cayenne GTS, what equipment does it get? Porsche says the 2025 Cayenne GTS is geared more toward on-road performance, and to that end, it comes with several model-specific features. It's standard with an adaptive air suspension and torque vectoring, and the suspension facilitates a 10 mm lower ride height than other 2025 models with air suspension. Traction and body roll control are said to offer a higher degree of road-focused performance, as well. The GTS borrows a couple tricks from the Cayenne Coupe Turbo GT. It gains the coupe's front axle pivot bearings, which make for more negative camber that improves cornering and steering performance. The GTS also gets the Turbo GT's water-cooled transfer case. Cosmetic exterior touches limited to the GTS include model logos in black on the Cayenne sides and rear, a front fascia with larger air ducts, smoked head and tail lights, and red brake calipers. It also gets the Sport Design package, which adds gloss black, instead of body-colored, like the last GTS, rocker panels, window surrounds, wheel arch extensions, and inlays. Previously finished in black, the finishers of the standard sport exhaust system are now painted in a dark bronze. The new Cayenne GTS also comes with gray 21-inch wheels and an adaptive rear spoiler. Options include additional exhaust tips as part of 3 different available lightweight sport packages, which can reduce vehicle weight by up to 55 pounds. Racetex microfiber upholstery adorns the cabin, and interior packages in carmine red or slate gray are available. Safety features. Like last year, we expect the 2025 Cayenne to come with a number of driver assist features, including lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert, front and rear parking sensors, and an active speed limiter. Adaptive cruise control will likely cost extra. Cargo space. Non-hybrid Cayennes offer the most cargo space, but even so, the BMW X5 provides greater capacity. Porsche typically doesn't disclose interior passenger space specs. Cargo space, seats up/down. 2025 Cayenne, S, 27.2/60.3 cubic feet. 2025 Cayenne E-Hybrid, SE Hybrid, 22.1/55.1 cubic feet. 2025 Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid, 21.9/54.9 cubic feet. 2024 BMW X5, 33.9/72.3 cubic feet. Technology. Super high-tech, customizable LED matrix headlights are standard on every 2025 Cayenne. So is a 12.3-inch central display, 12.6-inch digital cluster, Apple CarPlay, and wireless phone charger. Porsche also offers an available 10.9-inch front passenger screen, heated rear seats, panoramic roof, and ambient lighting. How much is a 2025 Porsche Cayenne? When can I get one? Deliveries of the 2025 Cayenne GTS begin in fall 2024. It'll come with a sticker price of $126,895 that includes a new $345 higher delivery fee of $1,995. Look for price increases for the rest of the lineup, with the Cayenne base model starting around $83,000 and the Turbo E-Hybrid top model starting at roughly $151,500. Other luxury midsize SUVs. BMW X5. Mercedes-Benz GLE Class. Land Rover Range Rover Sport. Lexus RX.